how to apply credit memo in QuickBooks. So first, I will create a sample credit memo from the left hand side here by pressing on new, and you will see this credit note or credit memo right here in the fourth slot. So just select it, and this will load up a new page like so, from which we will have to choose our customer. I will do the sample customer here, and we will also need to input their email address. Now, you will be immediately sent to this page here to link invoices, but for now, we will simply close this or minimize it. Now, we will have to choose the product or service that we have applied. So for example, I'll do services here, and we will set the amount right here. So for example, this is going to be a credit note or a credit memo for $1. So I'll just type out 1 here. Now it's going to look like this. We can add a message which is going to be displayed on the credit note, and we can also add a message displayed on the statement, but I will just simply ignore those for now, and I'm going to click on save and send here. It will show us some sample of what it's going to look like, this credit note, and then we can click on save and close. So I'm just going to create this credit note or credit memo, and now what I'm going to do is go to sales, and you will be able to see this, the credit note that we just created. And if we want to apply it to an invoice, we will simply select the invoice itself here. And for example, let's say I want to apply it to this invoice, 1002. I'll click on receive payment. And as you can see, this page will load up here. Now make sure that you have selected the correct invoice. Just match the numbers here. So for example, if you want to send it to the other one, you just uncheck the previous one. But I have selected the correct one here. And what's important here is scrolling down until we see credits here, and you will be able to see credit note and the one that we just created. So this is the original amount, the open balance, and the payment itself. So we want to check this. So it is applied, and it will show us this amount to apply, $1. Now you can change the payment here by changing this number, but as you can see, we cannot exceed the credit note that we have previously selected, but we can do less than the amount that we have set previously here. So basically, after you have changed this and adjusted it to your needs, we will click on save and close, and then this will apply the payment credit memo to the invoice. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.